On a strip of land between the Atlantic Ocean and the harbor in Wrightsville Beach, you will find one of my favorite resorts. It is the Blockade Runner Beach Resort. This place is amazing. It is a family-friendly oceanfront hotel that I think you are really going to like. Okay, so this is how you are going to get from the hotel to the beach. So I am speeding this video up by 2 times just to show you exactly what it looks like to take the short walk to the sand and to be able to enjoy some time down here on the ocean. If you don't have any beach supplies, Blockade Runner does have a lot of rentals that you can do, so no worries about that. So let's take a tour of the room that I stayed at. I love how you walk in and you instantly see those turquoise waters of the ocean outside the balcony. It is just amazing. I believe this was a club level room. This is room number 637, but it is an oceanfront room, obviously, and those views are amazing. You will see that the pool area is directly below as well, and I'll show you what that looks like. So you have the pool or you can enjoy the ocean, but those views are just amazing. The room was really comfortable. We actually really liked this room a lot. All the decor in the different rooms are just a little bit different. So if you're staying here, your decor might not look exactly like ours does. What I absolutely love about Blockade Runner is that every single room is going to have a water view. Whether or not that's a harbor view or ocean view is up to you, but everything will have water. So I am showing you some of the amenities that are going to be in your room. I love this little pop of color of the artwork. It was just very clean and simple but modern amenities. Love that there's not carpeting by the ocean, so no sand to get tracked in. Now, as you see, there was a window from the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. There is a sink outside, and these are some of the amenities that you are going to have. There is a safe there, extra bedding. There's, the hangers. We did enjoy that there was a mini refrigerator there that came in really handy. Always want to have a refrigerator so you can have cool drinks. Some area to put luggage. So inside the bathroom was really nice, very well taken care of, but there is going to be that window that overlooks into the room. And that is so that you can enjoy that ocean view when you are putting on makeup or just brushing your teeth in the morning. It's just a really nice feature to have. Now, no worries, you still do have privacy in the bathroom. All you need to do is pull down that shade. You have complete privacy in the bathroom, but if you would like to enjoy that view longer, go ahead and put that shade up. Now, if you are being a digital nomad and working a little bit on the road, you will absolutely love that view. Some of the hotel rooms have these little pods out there on the balcony where you can rest and relax. But if you don't have one of those rooms, you can be in those little wicker, I don't know what they're called, but I call them pods. You can lay down, you can sit up, you can have more than one person in there, an entire family. So those are really great things to have. These are the most popular places that people are during the day, just out there on the grass expanse. Fire pits at night are really a welcome touch too. There are so many little tiny places to have just moments where you can enjoy being by the ocean, kind of just relaxing moments, whether it's a hammock, whether it's these little wicker pods, the lounge chairs that are set up in this huge grass expanse where everybody is like running or flying kites. Kids love it. This is just kind of like the area where everybody congregates and has fun. Art is a big deal at Blockade Runner. There is little moments of art everywhere as well. The flowers, the landscaping, it's all just so impressive and so beautiful for a unique hotel by the ocean. So one of our favorite things we did was to take a sunset cruise. So this leaves from the harbor. This is the harbor view from Blockade Runner, and they have their own docks, and you just get on the Carolina Runner boat there and enjoy this really leisurely, relaxing cruise at sunset. The captain gives you just enough information, but doesn't like overwhelm you with a huge, long narrative. You just really get to enjoy being on the water and enjoying that sunset, which is beautiful. So inside the resort, this is what the lobby is going to look like. Really big and spacious, lots of room in order to just like enjoy a drink with family, to work. We saw a lot of people actually working from this lobby, which was interesting. Really big and expansive. This is going to be the pool area. Obviously, really highly popular. I did this video before it opened for the morning just so I could show you what it looks like. This is going to be the pool bar area. Again, you can have food and you can have cocktails and snacks there right beside the pool. So East Oceanfront Dining has this amazing covered patio area. Oh, we loved it so much. We had several meals here. This is going to be the breakfast menu. I'll just scroll through that so you can see some of the options. Literally all of the food that we had at East was amazing. This is the blueberry crumb cake. I had a breakfast sandwich. We also had waffles that normally are covered in berries and everything, but we kind of had it deconstructed, so they all came on the sides. And this is going to be our lunch. This was a fish sandwich that I got, a burger, cocktails. It was all just really good and lovely to eat outside. If you don't want to eat outside, there is indoor dining with the same restaurant, so no worries if it's too hot to be enjoying your meal outdoors. There is a Sunday jazz brunch that is really popular here as well. I highly suggest the pimento cheese appetizer. This thing was huge. You could literally feed 2 people off of that portion. And finally, there are plenty of water sports that you can enjoy when you are staying at Blockade Runner. You can take surf lessons, go fishing, rent a boat, rent a paddleboard. So many different ways to get out on the water and be active. So that's been a quick tour of Blockade Runner Resort. What do you think? Would you want to stay here at Wrightsville Beach, which is just about 20 minutes away from Wilmington?